Hello friends, Sahil here. Today we have this question. This question is being taken from Russian Mathematics Olympiad 2000. Now let's see the question, evaluate, and I have given this series. We need to find its summation. See, if you carefully observe the series is actually something like this 2 raised to power n divided by 3, where this n varies from 0 to 1000. Now, before evaluating this series, understand what will happen if I divide 2 raised to power x by 3, or I can say that 2 raised to power x mod 3. This 2 raised to power x, can I write it like that? 3 minus 1 raised to power x mod 3. Well and fine. Now this quantity become what? Minus 1 raised to power x mod 3. Now this minus 1 raised to power x will give us either minus 1 mod 3 or 1 mod 3 depending on the value of x. So when we are getting minus 1, when x becomes odd, and when we are getting 1, when x become even. Well and fine. Now this minus 1, we can write it like that, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So I can say that finally what I'm getting is 2 mod 3 when x is odd and 1 mod 3 when x is even. Well and fine. Now come back to this series which is given to us. It is given like this series. Now see here, this 2 raised to power 0 is what? 1. 1 by 3. Integral part of 1 by 3 is what? 0. Well and fine. Same way, there will be some values for this number also, this number also, this number also. Now from here to here, I am having 1000 terms. And out of these 1000 terms, I will get these power for 500 terms even and for 500 terms as odd. So can I say that what I am getting is summation n is equal to 1 to 1000 2 raised to power n by 3k. But we need this n to split like even and odd and even. So what I did is I write it separately like this, n raised to power k raised to power 1 to 500, where I am considering even power for this quantity. See, when I put k is equal to 1, I get 2. When I put k is equal to 2, I'm getting 4. So even powers are getting covered in this. And for odd power, what I'm writing, 2 raised to power 2k minus 1 divided by 3. See, when I put k is equal to 1, what I'm getting? 1. So all odd powers are getting covered from this and all even powers are getting covered to this. So whole series has been covered. Well and fine. Now come to the point, this point. See, we know that for even power, I am getting 1 when I divide by 3. So can I say that if I deduct 1 from this quantity, the resultant number will be divisible by 3. So can I say that it is actually 2 raised to power 2k minus 1 by 3. If this number is divisible by 3, I am getting integer only, that is the least integer. So this is the our value of this integral part. Well and fine. Same way, now we need to evaluate this thing. See, here I'm getting odd power, and for odd power I'm getting 2 as a remainder. So if I deduct this 2 from this term, whatever the term I have left out, that is divisible by 3. So can I say that its value is what? 2 raised to power 2k minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3. So its summation we need to find. So what we finally got is summation 2 raised to power 2k plus 2 raised to power 2k minus 1 whole divided by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. This quantity. So see, here I am getting for this term summation 1 by 3 take common, 2 raised to power 2k plus 2 raised to power 2k minus 1 minus, see, this become minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So summation 1, I can say that. Well and fine. See now, see here this summation is k is equal to 1 to 500. So if I do k is equal to 1 to 500, these terms are giving me even powers 2, 4 till 1000, and these terms are giving me odd power 1, 3, 5 till 999. So can I say these two terms give covered whole power from 1 to 1000. So instead of writing like this, can I write like this also? 1 by 3 summation n is equal to 1 to 1000 2 raised to power n. Well and fine. And this quantity is what? Summation of 1. See, here we are doing summation of 1 500 times. So this will give us directly minus 500. Now this is a GP. Its value we can easily find using the GP formula. What is the GP formula? If first term is A, number of term is n, and common ratio is R, A raised to power n, R raised to A into R raised to power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is a GP summation formula. So use that formula here. So what we are getting is 1 by 3, 2 into 2 raised to power 1000 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 minus 500. So finally what we are getting is 1 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1001 minus 2 minus 500. This is our final answer. See how amazing this question is. Hope you like the solution.